Hi everyone, I'm Samantha. I'm just going to take you through a few of our chores that we have to do on the farm. But one extra thing I do during this time of year is because I fertilize our garden with the chicken shavings after they've made them all messy. I put them back on my beds, and I only do that like December or so. That gives them 3 months to cool off, as they say, because chicken poop is very hot. And then it is ready for my beds to feed the vegetables in by March or so, when I've put my seedlings in. We're all cleaned out. We got our compost into our beds, so when it rains, it'll all go down into the soil and feed our plants in the spring. Now I'm tired. But I'll do some more of this next time the chickens need cleaning out and fill in the rest of my beds, because I still have, a few more. I will put soil over the top just for added nutrients, and no, the shavings will not break down in 3 months, but they will over time. And I have been doing this for, I think this is my 3rd year now, and it has been very successful, so I'm going to keep doing it. So thanks for joining me today. Hope this was interesting and informative.